How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your featured photos not appearing in your Facebook problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Facebook app. Head over to Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see update sign here like mine, tap on update. Once you update your app, open it and make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook account. Then tap onto your profile on your top right, tap onto your name. At this page, in case you have turned on your professional mode, turn it off. Tap on three dot icon and tap on turn professional mode off. Tap on continue and tap on turn off. Now go back to your page and refresh it a couple times. As it is so, you will be able to see all your featured photos under details, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.